Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is the exploded view. So we were just in doing the parts drawings. So you'll notice now my design is like this. Now, because I've saved it, I can't just undo, but it's saved so that I can make changes. We need to open up the file that had everything in it. Now, if you mistakenly didn't save this as another name, don't worry, you don't have to redo your joints. You can actually go into the version history of the one you made, and you can just go back to before you saved it. So if I go to there and click open, this hopefully is, oh no, I didn't save it until afterwards. So yeah, don't make my mistake. But anyway, here is my box. So we need to do an exploded view. So I'm just zooming out a little bit just by pinching, or the opposite of pinch. That's how you zoom in and out. So we're going to go up here to design, and we're going to go to the animation area. So here we've got our box, and you see we've got these tools up here. We don't have very many in here, and everything we do is going to get captured underneath. So if you did want to make an animation of this, you can, because look, if I hit play now, you can see it's just got that zoom in, which I did. Anyway, so we're going to click on the transform button up here, transform, and then click on the first part. The lid should come up like so. And next I'd probably take the base. So I'm just clicking on it and moving that down. Then I'm going to click. Alexa, stop. That's embarrassing. And then I'm going to click on the next one underneath. See if I get it just on the edge there. I've managed to pick it up. And then move that one out. And then move this one out. I can move that one out as well. They're in line. I'm not sure if I want them in line, to be honest. Can do the same. I can move two together if I hold shift down, which you might want to do for these actually. I move them out together like that, and then I move the tops up. I can actually take all the tops up together and move them up, and then we'll just take that out this way. The goal is that your exploded view shows how your product would go together, but it needs to make sense. We don't want it too jumbled. That might be okay. If you're happy, when you're happy rather, just click OK there, and then you can save these. You should always save everything you do, by the way. But if you want it to maybe look a little bit smarter without these shadows there, you can go here to drawing from animation, and then it will bring this into a neater page. So we can click that in. As you should know by now, once we brought in our drawings, we click and delete the table and the border. And then when you're happy, you can screenshot that, or you can export it as a PDF. If you're on a Mac, after you've exported it as a PDF, you can open it up in previews and then save it as a JPEG. Or just screenshot it. Command-Shift-4, screenshot that, and then you have everything you need for your portfolio right now. Hopefully. Just double check the checklist your teacher gives you.